How to incorporate macro trends in algorithmic trading. In today's dynamic financial landscape, integrating macro trends into algorithmic trading strategies can significantly enhance performance and profitability. Macroeconomic shifts, sectoral diversification, and geopolitical awareness are critical to anticipating market movements and optimizing trading algorithms. This video addresses the need for a robust approach to incorporating macro trends into trading strategies, offering detailed solutions to navigate the complexities of the market. Point 1. Recognize macroeconomic shifts. To effectively incorporate macro trends into algorithmic trading, it's crucial to recognize and anticipate macroeconomic shifts. These shifts can include changes in interest rates, inflation, employment rates, and GDP growth. By adjusting your strategies based on these broader economic trends, you can better position your trading algorithms for success. Understanding macroeconomic indicators. Macroeconomic indicators are key to identifying and interpreting economic shifts. These indicators provide insights into the overall health of the economy, guiding traders to make informed decisions. 1. Interest rates. Central banks use interest rates to control inflation and stabilize the economy. Lower interest rates generally encourage borrowing and spending, boosting sectors like real estate and consumer goods. Conversely, higher interest rates can slow down economic activity. 2. Inflation rates. Inflation measures the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. High inflation can erode purchasing power and affect consumer behavior, while low inflation or deflation can lead to decreased spending and economic stagnation. 3. Employment rates. Employment rates reflect the percentage of the workforce that is employed. Higher employment rates typically indicate economic growth, whereas lower rates can signal economic distress. 4. GDP growth. Gross domestic product, GDP, measures the total value of goods and services produced in a country. GDP growth indicates economic expansion, while a decline suggests contraction. Example 1. Interest rate changes. When central banks alter interest rates, it has a ripple effect across the economy. Lower interest rates typically encourage borrowing and spending, boosting sectors like real estate and consumer goods. Algorithmic traders can adjust their models to capitalize on these sectors during periods of declining interest rates. Scenario: the Federal Reserve announces a cut in interest rates. Action: algorithmic traders adjust their models to increase exposure to the real estate sector, anticipating a rise in property investments and home sales. Example 2. Inflation trends. Rising inflation can erode purchasing power and affect consumer behavior. By monitoring inflation trends, traders can anticipate shifts in market sentiment and adjust their algorithms accordingly. For instance, during high inflation periods, commodities and energy sectors often perform well, and algorithms can be tuned to prioritize these investments. Scenario: inflation rates begin to rise significantly. Action: algorithms are adjusted to increase investments in commodities like gold and oil, which typically serve as hedges against inflation. Point 2. Diversify across sectors. Aligning your algorithms with industries likely to thrive in specific macroeconomic environments ensures a balanced and resilient trading strategy. Diversification helps mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities across different sectors. Importance of sectoral diversification. Diversifying across sectors is a strategy to spread risk and enhance potential returns. Different sectors respond uniquely to macroeconomic changes, providing opportunities to balance gains and losses across a diversified portfolio. 1. Technology sector. Often thrives due to continuous innovation and advancements. 2. Healthcare sector. Generally remains stable as demand for healthcare services persists regardless of economic conditions. 3. Financial sector. Sensitive to interest rate changes and economic cycles. 4. Consumer goods. Performance tied to consumer spending and confidence. 5. Energy sector. Influenced by oil prices and geopolitical events. Example 1. Technology sector growth. In a rapidly advancing technological landscape, the tech sector often thrives regardless of broader economic conditions. By incorporating algorithms that target technology stocks, Traders can benefit from the consistent growth and innovation within this sector. Scenario: advancements in artificial intelligence and cloud computing drive the technology sector. Action: algorithms are designed to identify and invest in leading tech companies, capturing growth opportunities. Example 2. Healthcare sector stability. Healthcare is another sector that tends to perform well even during economic downturns, as demand for healthcare services remains relatively stable. Diversifying algorithms to include healthcare stocks can provide a safety net during periods of economic uncertainty. Scenario: economic downturn reduces consumer spending but does not significantly impact healthcare demand. Action: algorithms allocate a portion of investments to healthcare companies, ensuring portfolio stability. Point 3. Stay informed on geopolitical events. Geopolitical factors, such as trade policies, elections, and international conflicts, can significantly influence market dynamics. Incorporating these elements into your trading strategies ensures that your algorithms are responsive to global developments. Impact of geopolitical events. Geopolitical events can create volatility and uncertainty in financial markets. Staying informed and understanding the potential impact of these events helps traders adjust their strategies accordingly. 1. Trade policies. Changes in tariffs, trade agreements, and regulations can impact various industries. 2. Elections. Political outcomes can lead to shifts in economic policies and market sentiment. 3. International conflicts. Wars, sanctions, and diplomatic tensions can affect global supply chains and commodity prices. Example 1. Trade policy changes. Changes in trade policies, such as tariffs or trade agreements, can impact various industries differently. By staying informed about these changes, traders can adjust their algorithms to either avoid or capitalize on affected sectors. For instance, a new trade agreement favoring exports could boost the manufacturing sector. Scenario: a new trade agreement is established between major economies. Action: algorithms are updated to increase investments in manufacturing and export-oriented companies expected to benefit from the agreement. Example 2. Election outcomes. Elections can lead to shifts in economic policies and market sentiment. By analyzing potential election outcomes and their likely impact on markets, traders can adjust their algorithms to anticipate changes. For example, a government favoring renewable energy investments could create opportunities in the green energy sector. Scenario: an election results in a government committed to renewable energy policies. Action: algorithms prioritize investments in renewable energy companies, anticipating favorable regulatory and economic conditions. Conclusion: incorporating macro trends into algorithmic trading is essential for navigating the complexities of the financial markets. By recognizing macroeconomic shifts, diversifying across sectors, and staying informed on geopolitical events, traders can enhance their algorithms and improve overall trading performance. This video has provided practical examples and strategies to help you integrate these critical factors into your trading approach, ensuring a more resilient and profitable trading strategy. By staying proactive and adaptable, you can better position your trading algorithms to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate risks in a constantly evolving market environment. Happy trading!